Alright, just a quick update. Throw a few dates out here. Here's the carrots that we put in the bucket about a week ago. That's green pepper back in the corner, 2 months old. Here's a tomato that's, I think it's just over 2 weeks. And there's another couple carrots in here. I just dropped seeds in. And then this potato is 2 months old today, I think. So yeah, and I just noticed a new sprout the other day, so this potato's jamming. And then we have the rest. This is the original garden that we put in about a month ago in the little Jiffy greenhouses. These green peppers are 2 months old. This is the first batch I did. So I got some zucchinis, got our leaf lettuce. Those leaf lettuce are really kind of doing pretty good. Note to self, those are the ones that we just sprinkled in, 5, 6, 7 seeds, and these are the ones that I did individually. So I do think they tend to grow better, thicker, if you sprinkle the seeds in versus individually. And then we got some tomatoes back here. Quick note, a little bit of Apple Blossom Dawn dishwashing liquid in a cup. Attracts, if you have any, what are they, the gnats, moisture gnats, whatever. You can put Vaseline on a little 3x5 index card. Make your own fly paper, essentially. These beets are jamming too. Look at the root development. So just a quick update. There's your Jiffy greenhouse garden in about 1 month. Alright, just a quick update on the little garden, the indoor garden here. Look at this green pepper. These are just over 2 months old. And it's already growing a golf ball sized green pepper on it. There's a couple other smaller ones, like here's one. Oops. Thought I saw another one too. There's one. So yeah, the whole garden itself, I think, is just over a month old. It's like 9 weeks, I think. Not 5 weeks, 9 weeks. Leaf lettuce. Got some pretty good root growth going. Tomatoes are looking a little on the weak side, especially compared to the one I put in the bucket. Right here. This one looks a little better. I don't know if they're supposed to dry out like that. It's watering from the bottom. Seems to be doing alright. This carrot I put in with it. There's the little bucket of carrots we did, and those are just over 2 weeks old. Potato, just over 2 months. I think that green pepper's the same age as the other one, so that's just over 2 months. Yeah, because the 25th they'll be 3 months. I thought they'd take longer. I was hoping to keep them until spring planting, May. And we're barely in April. So, might be a bit of a challenge to keep them all going. So it's a little weak. There's another pepper. The beets have been doing okay. They take a lot of water. See, this one's light already. This potato takes a lot of water too, just FYI. This one waters from the bottom too, and I have to fill that bowl like every 2 days. More peppers, just kind of moving them around. There's another little pepper down there. So yeah, pretty cool with the pepper. I'm going to transplant these soon, minutes maybe. So anyway, just wanted to give you a quick little update. Indoor garden, 5 weeks. Grow 'em while you can, man, I'm telling you.